Hey guys, your boy John and cars and Fortnite now. I want to show you everything. Okay, that I don't know what is that. Okay, that console. Oh, the skin I got already. I got the long skin today too. And the trailer. Who wants to watch the trailer? I bet you guys saying yes. Okay. Wait. Let me turn the sound on. You guys hear? Oh wait. Oh, let me take my mic off. Oh no, wait. So let me start this over. Okay. Okay, guys, look on the truck. You have the gold beast boss, and the trail. I got the dummy skin on right now, and see, I got that, and I got this one, and I got that, and we got that, and we got the wrap too, and we got this one, and we got this. And I got, and we got this, wait, I showed this already? Yeah, and I got this, the new skin. Wait, yeah, the new skin. Okay, guys, and I got so much V-Bucks for the other Battle Pass, no, for the other, I got so much V-Bucks for the other Iron Shop. I'm gonna buy the whole Iron Shop and a second whole Iron Shop. Okay, bye guys, peace.